Welcome everyone, this is Infinite Programming here. We are going to cover the programming language which has made sensational improvement in recent years in field of AI and ML. We will start with the basics of Python, yes, and will build our knowledge on various fields with these basics and foundations. Python can be downloaded from www.python.org with the link in description. So let's get started with the programming. So here we are after the download and installation process is complete. We are to open the Python IDE which is installed here, and after clicking on the Python IDE option we'll get an interference which will look similar to this. So now we are ready to launch our first program in Python. So let's do it here, and by writing print in quotes hello Python, closing the quotes, closing the parentheses, hit enter. See, the hello Python words here is printed. Is this getting a bit above your head right now? Then don't worry, you will soon understand it. The thing which you have just did here was to execute the print statement by calling this function which is called print with open and close parentheses. The function of this print function is to print anything that is inside the parentheses. For example, here the hello Python string is there. But why is this hello Python written in quotes, but the printed part, the hello Python, is not in quotes? This is because, as I told earlier, it's a string. Anything is a string, has some quotes, and after printing we will not get the quotes, instead the quotes will get removed. The formal definition of string states that a string can be anything written in quotes. It can be single quotes or double quotes. Let me show you an example. We are for the first time we have used single quotes, so we can just use double quotes here. Hello Python, and with double quotes, and if we just hit the enter, it will print same thing here. So this print function here prints anything which is written inside it. Now the question is, why does the quote does not get printed during this printing process? The simple answer here we can get is that the quotation, a string, it, the quotes here, it just defines a string. It just defines a string, defines a string, sorry, and it is also used to define the data that can be put under the attribute string. So here if we write anything inside quote, for example if we write even number inside quotes, it will be treated as a string. And see, for here between the double quotes we have used one single quote. This one single quote is also here being used as a string. We can also print one double quote inside two single quotes. For example, print mm, print again, let's take 2 and again end it here with single quote and keep a bracket. See, 2 double quote, it means that the starting quote will be identical to the ending quote, then only the print statement will be getting executed. For example, if we start with single quote and with double quote, then it will not execute. For example, print single quote 2 double quote, stick apart, it's 1. So it will show error, see here, expected URL by scanning string literal it's coming. It means that the single quote has not yet ended. It means the code is getting error. This is the only reason due to which the quotes does not get printed here. It just defines the attribute, and the print statement just prints the data which is present in here. Hope you like this video. In the next few videos we will dig a bit deeper to the strings, and if you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Weekly videos are coming. Thank you.